In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect two different Google Sheets. This is a really useful skill if you want to pull data from one spreadsheet into another without copying and pasting manually every time. Once it's set up correctly, the destination sheet can display information directly from the source sheet, which helps keep your data organized and up to date. To begin, open the Google Sheet you want to pull data from. This is your source sheet. Go to your browser's address bar and copy the full URL of that spreadsheet. You'll need the complete link because Google Sheets uses it to identify exactly which file the data is coming from. It's a good idea to copy it carefully so you don't miss any part of the address. Next, identify the exact range of data you want to connect. Look at the tab name at the bottom of the spreadsheet because that tab name must be written correctly in the formula. Then note the specific cell range you want to bring over, such as a 1 through E10. Being precise here is important because even a small typo in the tab name or range can stop the formula from working properly. Now switch to the destination Google Sheet, which is the spreadsheet where you want the imported data to appear. Click the cell where you want the imported content to begin. Then type the import range formula. The structure is equals import range, followed by the source sheet URL in quotation marks. Then a comma, and then the tab name and cell range in quotation marks. For example, you would enter a formula using your source sheet link, followed by something like sheet 1, exclamation point. A 1:E10. Make sure the tab name and range are typed exactly as they appear in the source sheet. After entering the formula, press enter. At first, you'll likely see a ref error. Don't worry, this is normal the first time you connect the two sheets. Hover over the cell, and you should see a prompt asking you to allow access. Click Allow Access to grant permission between the spreadsheets. Once access is approved, the data from the source sheet should appear in your destination sheet automatically. If it doesn't, double-check the URL, the tab name, and the cell range for any typing mistakes. That's all it takes to connect two different Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.